If you're ready to take the leap and start your LLC in Kansas, then it's easier than you think. And I'm here to guide you step by step. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do and how much it will cost to get your business up and running. Now, before anything, you've got to choose a name for your LLC. Now, it must be unique and you need to include the words LLC or limited liability company in the name itself. You can check if your name is available on the Kansas Secretary of State's website. And if you want to hold on to that name for just a little bit, you can reserve it for 120 days by simply paying $30. In the state of Kansas, you need a registered agent. This is a person or service who will handle official documents for your LLC. They need a physical address in Kansas and must be available during regular business hours. Now, you can be your own agent or you can hire a professional. If you do hire someone, expect to pay somewhere between $90 and $249 a year. Now, this is where things get real. To officially form your LLC, you need to file what is called your Articles of Organization with the Kansas Secretary of State. The filing fee is $165, and you can do it online for a quicker process. Now, just make sure to fill everything out accurately to avoid any delays. Once you have filed your LLC, it is now time to get an EIN from the IRS. This is essentially your business's social security number, and you need it to open a bank account, to file taxes, and to hire employees. Now, the best part is, it is completely free and very easy to apply online on the IRS website. Kansas doesn't require an operating agreement, but it is a very good idea to have one. This document outlines how your LLC will run, especially if you have business partners. It's not mandatory, but it can save you a lot of headaches way down the road. Depending on what your business does, you might need to register for state taxes or local business permits. Sales tax, employee withholding, you need to make sure that you are all set up by visiting the Kansas Department of Revenue. Also, go ahead and check your local area to see if you need any licenses. And there you have it. You are now on your way to officially forming your LLC in Kansas. From picking your name to getting your EIN, it's all very much laid out for you. If you need some help, Simplify LLC can do that. We are here to help guide you through every step of the process, making it very smooth and easy. Go ahead and visit us at simplifyllc.com to get started. We'll see you next time.